This is how you insert small pictures and videos into your screen like this, and like this, and like da! Not like that one.
Detention, Mr. Potter.
Start by opening InShot. Go to Video, and open the video that you want to add a picture-in-picture to. This is my video about Graham Stephan, and here's one example of how I used picture-in-picture in that video.
This is Graham. He's a successful real estate agent.
That circular picture of Graham is a picture-in-picture, and here's how I did it. Go to the part of your video that you want to add the picture-in-picture to.
This is Graham.
That's the part. So I want it to appear at this part here when I say this is Graham. So click on the picture-in-picture button, which is in the middle now. I'm going to go to Photo, and there is my picture of Graham right there. And from here, there are a few things you can change. If you click on the arrows in the corner and move your finger around, you can make it bigger or smaller. If you press in the middle of the picture, you can drag it anywhere on the screen. Down the bottom here, you can make it last for a shorter amount of time. So it's got a little 5 up there, so it goes for 5 seconds. You can drag on that box and make it go for a smaller amount of time or a longer amount of time. And if you want it to last for even longer, then you can drag it this way for as long as you want it to go. Also, if you want to change where it pops up, press on the whole thing and just drag it to where you want it to be. So I do want it to pop up when I say this is Graham. So I'm going to drag it back to that point, which is where the white line is now. There it is. One other useful thing is if you want the picture-in-picture to cover the whole screen, well, it can. Just drag it to the middle and stretch your fingers apart to make it big enough to cover the whole screen.
This is Graham.
So it pops up, covers the whole screen. Doesn't that look good?